Hi students, this is AJ sir. Let's study 10th standard ICSE math, exercise 21D, trigonometrical tables. Exercise 21C is cancelled, it is not in syllabus. Now we'll do 21D using the trigonometric tables. We should know how to read the table, which is at the end of your textbook, and the logbook will be given during exams as well. Because if you know how to find the values of sine, cos and tan for any angle, we will be able to solve the sums of the next chapter, heights and distances. You should know the values of the standard angles already, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees. But now let's understand how to find the sine, cos and tan value of non-standard angles. For example, look at question 1.3, 47 degrees, 32 minutes. Now how to find the sine of that? By the way, question 4, 5, 6 are cancelled, and SE number 14 and 15 also can be cancelled. Even here, cancel all the sums except Roman number 3 and Roman number 4 here. Even here, Roman number 3 and 4, keep it. Fifth one is cancelled. And here keep Roman number 2 and Roman number 3. So we are going to do 3 sums, out of which 2 are marked IMP. And for homework, you can do the remaining 3 sums for practice. So 47 degrees, 32 minutes. By the way, you know 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Let's look at the sine table. Here we go. Degrees, I don't see any 47 here. The last one is 44. So let's flip the page. 47 degrees, 32 minutes. Here we go. Here is the 47 degrees. So focus on this line here. 47 degrees, did you see that? And we need how many minutes? 32 minutes. 32 minutes. Well, I don't have 32 minutes. I just have 30 minutes, which is nothing but half a degree, by the way. So if they would have said 47.5 degrees, that is the same as 47 degrees and 30 minutes, because 1 degree is 60 minutes. But they want 32 degrees, so it will be a little more than 32 minutes. It will be a little more than 30 minutes. We can't go as far as 36 minutes. Okay, we'll stick to 30 minutes. And for the remaining 2 minutes, we'll look at the mean difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So using this, we could have found out 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35 minutes value as well. And for 36 minutes, obviously we will look at this column. So 47 degrees and 30 minutes value is 0.7373. Yeah, 0 point. Look at here. Look here. There's a decimal place out here. This decimal place is for every number on this table. Everywhere. It's always answer up to 4 decimal places. Remember that. So the answer is 0.7373. And for 2 minutes, it's 4. So we'll have to add that. But please add this to the 4th decimal. So that will become 0.7377. So that's how we will get the answer. No need to show any working. You can write it directly, the answer. But I'm going to show it to you so that when you revise in the future, you will understand what you had done. So I split this into 47 degrees and 30 minutes plus 2 minutes. 47 degrees and 30 minutes, I just showed you the value. Plus for 2 minutes, it's 0.0004. Remember, we need 4 decimal values always. And addition of that is easy. This is the answer. No units, no degree sign, nothing like that. Now let's find out the cosine, that is the cos of 26 degrees and 32 minutes again. So again, I'll split it up into cos 26 degrees 30 minutes plus 2 minutes. But for cos, there is something special. If you look at the cos table, 26 degrees and 30 minutes. Where is 26 degrees? Here it is. Here it is. Always use a ruler. And 30 minutes. Well, it's not, heading is not visible to you, is it? Here we go, 30 minutes. So the value is 8949. 0.8949. This is the value. You do this in your book. You need practice of these things. So 0.8949. Don't just copy from here. And how many minutes more do we want? 2 minutes more. That's 3 or 0.0003. Fine. However, look at what they've mentioned. The numbers in differences columns to be subtracted, not added. And this is true only for cosine, not for sine, not for tan. So for cosine, after writing the two values 0.8949 and 0.0003, make sure you subtract it and not add it. For sine and tan we add, but for cos we subtract. That's the rule. That's how we use the table. So the answer is 0.8946. And now finally, question 3.3, tan of 17 degrees and 27 minutes. So again, we're going to split it up into tan of 17 degrees 24 minutes plus 3 minutes. Let's find 17 degrees and 24 minutes value. Here it is. 17 degrees and 24 minutes is here. So that's 0.3134. That's the value of this. And for 3 minutes, what are we going to use? 3 minutes, we're going to use 10. That's 0.010. And are we going to add those two values or subtract them? Add the values. So the answer is 0.3144. 4 decimal places indeed. Hi students. If you found this video useful, press the like button. Also, to enroll for my online lectures or online test series, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.